everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw and color a living room. Let's get started. First, I'll draw a simple sofa. I begin with the bottom, then add the sides. Followed by the pillows and finish with the backrest. On one side of the sofa, I'll draw a floor lamp. And on the other side, a plant. Above the sofa, I'll create a picture of fall trees. How lovely! Now, I'll use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it more visible. For coloring, I'll use rainbow colors. The sofa will be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. For the lamp, I'll use red, orange, and yellow. The plant will be green and the pot will be brown. For the picture, I'll use yellow, orange, and red for trees, foreground brown, for background blue, and color the frame brown. For the floor, I'll use pink. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!